Creating content has never been easier. With profit content, all you have to do is select a category from right here. So we're just going to go with articles and then select one of the thousands articles we have right here. So let's just go for write and sell an ebook. And we have this unique article created for us right here. Next up, we just give it a name. We click on next step. It will generate this article for us. And here we can spin the text. So if we need it to be even more unique, we can spin it and then we can instantly share it on Facebook, Twitter, on Pinterest or directly to Google. Now we just click on save changes and it's done. If we go now to my writing, it will appear right here together with other writings done by our beta testers. Here is an example of an ebook created by one of our beta testers. As you can see, it has been created on the topic of affiliate marketing and has been generated with pictures spread through different chapters, all generated for him to immediately sell. Here's another one on how to increase affiliate commissions, again created with profit content. Again, spread out through different chapters with all information a customer would look for, ready for you to sell. It's that easy. And with thousands of articles at your fingertips for either sales copies, video scripts, email swipes, and articles, you can leverage the power of profit content and sell these amazing articles on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, all of which is included in our training right here. And with a one click to our support desk, getting into profit content is a no-brainer. Even more, if you want to access the full power of profit content with Profit Content Pro, you're going to have access to a text-to-speech, which will allow you to generate voiceovers for your ebooks, for your articles. So it's even easier and more profitable for you to sell these features. So check out Profit Content right now and I will see you inside.